Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So in this video, I'll be doing a quick Valentine's Day inspired nail design using colors from the new Madam Glam Green Hearts collection. And this is their newest collection of glitter gel polishes. They are just so gorgeous. So these new polishes are vegan. It has a 9-free formula and they're also cruelty free, so they do not test on animals. And as you can see, these colors are just chock full of glitter. Like, they are so pretty. So one of the colors I'll be using is the Eco-chic Red, and this red glitter is just so pretty. Like, I've never seen a red glitter polish just so glittery, okay? All right, so I've already done my fill-in on my nails. I did this in one of my last videos, so this is just that same feel, and I'm just changing out the polish and stuff. So if you guys want to see how I did this in detail, I will link that video down below. All right, so I'm going to start off with that Eco-chic Red, and we're just going to apply that to my pinky fingernail, my index fingernail, and my thumbnail. But as you can see, you do get good coverage with one coat. So just make sure to clean up the side walls and your cuticle area before you cure. Alright, so after curing that first coat in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, I'm just going to apply a second coat. And as you guys can see, it just gives a very true, intense red glitter look to it. This polish is just bomb. Alright, so next I'm going in with Earth Day Everyday. And this is a fine hollow glitter gel polish. And I'm just going to put one coat of this to serve as the background color. And of course, cleaning up around the cuticle and side walls before I cure. Next, I go in with top coat over those two nails because since I'm doing nail art, I just find it easier to draw on a smooth top coat surface. Alright, so taking a Madam Glam Perfect Black, and I'm just going to use that to write out the word love, starting with the L. Making sure everything is nice and neat, cleaning up around any lines that I see fit. So yeah, I really took my time with this. It's hard drawing letters for me. Alright, so after curing that, then I'm going in with this large dotting tool and that same red gel polish, and I'm just going to create a heart for the O. And once I like that, I went ahead and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then finally, I just put the top coat on all of the nails. And before curing, I apply small iridescent crystals around the cuticle areas just to give these a little sparkle. Alright, so after doing my final cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, I'm applying cuticle oil. And this is the finished look, a very simple but cute Valentine's Day inspired nail design using gel polish. Madam Glam has the best gel polishes in my opinion. I really love the coverage and the colors they have. Just amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. If you're interested in picking up any of the gel polishes from Madam Glam, I do have some coupon codes linked down below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one.